What if the hardest mission a service member faces isn't on the battlefield, but it's the silent one, as easy as just coming home? What if the tools for survival and combat are the very things that make a civilian life feel impossible? The biggest problem is the silent battle. The structured life of service dissolves into chaos. Isolation takes hold. Navigating benefits becomes a full-time, frustrating job. And the unseen wounds deepen. The numbers don't lie. 17 veterans die by suicide every single day. A staggering 44% of veterans report struggling just to transition back to civilian life. These are the real facts, and by those facts, we are failing those who have served. We are Echo Collective. We don't offer fragmented assistance, we offer a new foundation. Our app is the first holistic command center for a veteran's next life. The core is our proprietary Mind, Body, and Earth program, where we blend adaptive yoga for chronic pain, therapeutic yoga nidra for deep rest, and a powerful horticultural therapy to restore grounding, purpose, and self-mastery through working the soil. This is applied trauma-informed structure. But we do more. We simplify complexity with intuitive VA navigation tools. We offer nutrition and herbal wellness guides to restore health. We nurture belonging through community rituals and help preserve their story with legacy kits. Echo Collective is a ready-to-scale, fully functional application. We have the innovation, the data, and the passion. We aren't just building an app, we are cultivating resilience and saving lives. We need your partnership, your vision, and your investment to scale this solution across the whole nation. Help us give them the mission they deserve.